guys, as you can see I have spicy sausages frying. It's soya sausage and it's on medium to high heat, and in today's video I'll be making spicy soya sausage chutney, and it's completely vegetarian. So it's a quick fry for about 8 minutes, 4 minutes on each side, turning frequently if needed. Next, I'll start with the chutney. On medium to high heat, I will add in the spices, which is 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, a piece of cinnamon, 3 ilachi, and I'm making sure the spices are browning. Next, I'm adding 1 onion, 3 green chili, 2 bay leaf, and the onion will fry until brown or transparent. Mix everything together. Two chopped tomatoes for texture. I am using jam tomatoes, which are nice and red in color. One tablespoon Bombay masala, 1 teaspoon garam masala, a teaspoon of dhania powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, and then a tablespoon of ginger and garlic. And I'm going to mix everything together. Once the tomatoes are soft, I'll add about 2 grated tomatoes. Altogether, I've added 4 tomatoes. One tablespoon sugar, along with salt to taste. A sprig of curry leaf. Soya sausages go in now. You can place them whole or you can cut them, whatever you prefer. Mix everything well together. and simmer on low for 15 minutes, making sure sausages are well coated. Lastly, dhania to garnish, and spicy sausage chutney is ready. Hope you liked this video. Please give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching.